Ready to set off on a journey that goes beyond the ordinary? While a quick online search can showcase the planet's vast diversity, it's only by stepping into these extraordinary places that you truly feel the pulse of their untamed beauty. Traveling isn't just about ticking off destinations on a map, it's a privilege that opens up new worlds and leaves lasting impressions far deeper than any social media post. This video will guide you through some of the most unique and breathtaking spots on Earth, from hidden lakes to rugged deserts and lush alpine forests, inviting you to embark on a never-ending journey of exploration and wonder. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to stay updated with our newest destinations. Our journey begins with the vast and enchanting Everglades in Florida. This sprawling wetland, stretching over 1.5 million acres, unveils a rich tapestry of marshes, forests, and rivers. Here, the slow-moving waters and lush vegetation create a sanctuary for rare wildlife like the Florida panther and American alligator. As we glide through winding waterways and dense mangrove forests, we're enveloped by nature's symphony, showcasing the delicate balance of this unique ecosystem. Next, we travel to the awe-inspiring Tassili National Park in Algeria. Covering over 72,000 square kilometers of the Sahara Desert, this plateau dazzles with its dramatic sandstone formations. These age-old rock sculptures, painted with hues of black and dark red, seem to dance under the vast blue sky. Exploring this rocky terrain feels like stepping into nature's grand masterpiece, where every turn reveals a new, surreal vista. Our journey now leads us to the mysterious Geyser Lake in Russia's eastern Altai. Known for its surreal turquoise waters and whimsical springs, this thermal lake enchants with its ever-changing patterns. Despite its beauty and sacred significance among locals, swimming is off-limits due to the muddy bottom. Observing the lake's shifting hues and mystical atmosphere offers a glimpse into a world where nature's secrets remain shrouded in wonder. Our next stop is Huacachina, a desert oasis in southwestern Peru. Surrounded by towering sand dunes, this picturesque village revolves around a small, natural lake with a magical backstory. From thrilling dune buggy rides and exhilarating sandboarding to serene boat rides on the lagoon, Huacachina offers a mix of adventure and relaxation. As the sun sets over the dunes, vibrant hues paint the sky, making Huacachina a captivating destination that truly comes alive after dark. Our exploration takes us to Croatia, where we uncover the mesmerizing Lake. This unique spring, serving as the source of the Cetina River, boasts an intriguing shape and vibrant hues of blues and turquoises. Nestled at the base of Dinara, Croatia's highest mountain, the lake is aptly named the Eye of the Earth for its eye-like appearance. From its cavernous depths plunging 115 meters to its serene setting in Milasevo near Cetina, the Lake is a hidden gem that enchants all who visit. Next, we journey to the dramatic intersection of Brazil, Guyana, and Venezuela to witness Mount Roraima. This iconic plateau, rising 1,300 feet above the landscape, offers a surreal experience. Encircled by sheer cliffs, Mount Roraima's flat-topped summit is often shrouded in clouds, creating an otherworldly ambience. Trekking from Gran Sabana through lush terrain, we ascend to a world that inspired the movie Up, where the landscape feels like a fantastical realm. Next, we dive into the coastal marvel of Portugal's Benagil Sea Cave. Situated in the Algarve region, this cave is carved by the sea into a grand cathedral-like dome with a natural skylight. Inside, a hidden beach awaits, accessible only by boat or swim. The interplay of light and shadow creates a magical atmosphere, making this cave a must-see wonder. The Benagil Sea Cave exemplifies nature's artistic prowess and invites us to discover its enchanting secrets. Our adventure now leads us to Mexico's breathtaking Sumidero Canyon. Carved by the Grijalva River in Chiapas, this natural wonder features towering cliffs and lush vegetation that captivate visitors. Navigating through the canyon, we encounter dramatic waterfalls and turquoise pools. With towering cliffs reaching over 1,000 meters, Sumidero Canyon is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts, offering sightings of crocodiles, colorful birds, and playful monkeys amidst its stunning landscape. Our journey then transports us to Iceland, where Hengifoss waterfall awaits. Standing at 128 meters, Hengifoss is renowned for its striking red clay layers interspersed within the rock. The hike to the waterfall takes us through a picturesque canyon, culminating in a view of this majestic cascade surrounded by Iceland's rugged beauty. Known for its purported healing powers, Hengifoss offers a serene and awe-inspiring experience amidst the island's dramatic landscapes. Next, we fly over to Mauritius to marvel at the illusionary Underwater Waterfall. Seen from above, it appears as if a waterfall plunges into the sea, but it's actually an optical illusion created by sand and silt movements. Spanning approximately 2.5 miles, this mesmerizing phenomenon highlights nature's ability to surprise us. Despite not being a true waterfall, its visual impact is a reminder of the wonders hidden beneath the ocean's surface. Our next stop brings us to Alaska's majestic Mendenhall Glacier near Juneau. The glacier's icy blue hues flow into Mendenhall Lake, creating a breathtaking backdrop. Nugget Falls cascades from the glacier's edge, adding to the scenic splendor. With opportunities for wildlife viewing and exploring ice caves carved by centuries of glacial activity, Mendenhall Glacier offers an unforgettable glimpse into the power and beauty of nature's frozen giants. Our journey then leads us to Ukraine, where the enchanting Tunnel of Love in Klevan awaits. This 4-kilometer corridor of trees, originally built for military purposes, now serves as a romantic and picturesque location. Despite its allure, trains still pass through twice daily, so visitors should be cautious. Whether capturing stunning photos or simply enjoying nature's embrace, the Tunnel of Love offers a magical experience just 350 kilometers from Kyiv. Next, we explore Canada's Abraham Lake, famous for its mesmerizing methane ice bubbles. Located in David Thompson Country, this lake showcases a unique winter phenomenon where methane gas trapped beneath the ice creates stunning bubble formations. The best time to visit is between December and March, with Preacher's Point offering prime photo opportunities. As winter's icy canvas unfolds, Abraham Lake becomes a must-visit for nature enthusiasts and photographers alike. Our next destination is Lake Natron, straddling Tanzania and Kenya. Known as the deadliest lake on Earth, Lake Natron's extreme pH levels and scorching temperatures create a harsh environment. Yet, its haunting beauty, with the eerie appearance of fossilized animals, captivates visitors. Despite the harsh conditions, lesser flamingos thrive here, making Lake Natron a vital breeding ground. Against the backdrop of towering hills, this lake stands as a striking example of nature's raw power and beauty. Next, we journey to Italy's Amalfi coast, a dazzling stretch along the southern coast of the Sorrentine Peninsula. Renowned for its dramatic cliffs and picturesque villages, this UNESCO World Heritage Site offers breathtaking views of the Mediterranean. As we wind along the coastal roads, we encounter charming towns like Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello. Each town invites us to explore its narrow streets, historic landmarks, and local cuisine. From the vibrant hues of Positano's cliffside houses to the serene beauty of Ravello's gardens, the Amalfi Coast promises a sensory feast of sights, flavors, and experiences. Next, we head to Bolivia's Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat. Covering over 10,000 square kilometers, this massive expanse becomes a giant mirror during the rainy season. The reflection of the sky creates an endless, surreal landscape that looks like something out of a dream. It's a must-see for any traveler and a paradise for photographers. Perched high in the Andes, Machu Picchu in Peru is one of the most iconic archaeological sites in the world. This ancient Incan city, built in the 15th century and rediscovered in 1911, sits at an altitude of 2,430 meters. Surrounded by lush cloud forests and dramatic mountain peaks, Machu Picchu's terraced slopes and stone structures offer a glimpse into a lost civilization. The breathtaking views and mysterious allure make it a must-see for history buffs and adventurers alike. Pamukkale, Turkey, is famous for its otherworldly white travertine terraces. Formed by mineral-rich hot springs, these terraces resemble a cotton castle and offer stunning views. Alongside the terraces, the ancient ruins of Hierapolis add a touch of history to this unique natural wonder. Italy's Dolomites are renowned for their stunning mountain scenery. With their jagged peaks and picturesque valleys, this mountain range offers world-class hiking and climbing opportunities. The Dolomites' unique geological formations and breathtaking alpine views make it a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. In Croatia, Plitvice Lakes National Park is a natural wonder. With its series of 16 cascading lakes and stunning waterfalls set against a lush, forested backdrop, it's a fairy tale landscape. The park's wooden walkways and trails offer a chance to explore the clear blue waters and serene surroundings up close. The Blue Lagoon in Iceland is a geothermal spa set in a striking volcanic landscape. Its milky blue waters are rich in minerals, providing a rejuvenating soak amidst breathtaking scenery. Surrounded by lava fields, the lagoon combines relaxation with extraordinary natural beauty, making it a must-visit destination. Patagonia, stretching across Argentina and Chile, is a land of dramatic contrasts. This region boasts rugged mountain ranges, pristine lakes, and expansive glaciers like the Perito Moreno. Whether you're trekking through Torres del Paine or exploring the southern icefield, Patagonia's wild beauty offers unparalleled adventures and breathtaking views. Next, we visit Victoria Falls, straddling the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe. This majestic waterfall is the largest curtain of water on the planet, with a staggering width of 1,708 meters. The roaring waters and the mist rising into the air create an awe-inspiring spectacle. Experience the thundering falls up close and feel the power of nature. Iceland's glaciers and waterfalls offer a landscape of pure magic. From the expansive Vatnajökull Glacier to the powerful Gullfoss Falls, the island's icy wonders are a dream come true for nature lovers. The contrast between the icy blue glaciers and the roaring waterfalls creates a dramatic and unforgettable experience. Finally, we traveled to New Zealand to admire the stunning Lake Tekapo, renowned for its vibrant lupin blooms. From mid-November to December, the shores of this picturesque lake are adorned with a colorful array of purple, pink, and blue lupins. The striking contrast of the flowers against the lake's bright blue waters creates a scene of unparalleled beauty. Whether exploring the area on foot or taking a scenic flight over the lake, Lake Tekapo offers a perfect blend of natural splendor and outdoor adventure. Wow, what an incredible adventure we've had exploring these breathtaking destinations together. If this journey ignited your wanderlust, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your support is our greatest reward. Imagine yourself jetting off to these stunning spots, scaling mountains, and discovering hidden treasures. If you could teleport anywhere right now, where would your heart take you? Drop your dream destination in the comments below, and let's fuel the fire of exploration together. Until next time, keep dreaming big, chasing adventures, and discovering the world's wonders. Bon voyage, fellow explorers. Here's to endless journeys and uncharted paths.